$2 million US in 2 years. That's the testimonial of my mentor, Michelle. And the question for you today is, what if you knew that in 2 years from now, you'd make $2 million US? Would you start your own digital marketing business? That's a question that you should ask yourself. Well, we do not know what will happen in a year, 2 years, 3 years. But the only way of knowing is if you start something, and she chose to start her own business. And what I found interesting when she was sharing her testimony is that she just saw somebody who had posted on Facebook, had made a post and had said, no MLM, 100% profit, work 2 hours in a day, and learn how to make $300 US a day. And especially the $300 a day caught her attention. And so she reached out to this person, and her concern was, so how does the company make money? And the lady responded and said that there is a $29 US fee for the website that they create for you. And so she was like, then I can do this. What's my own story? I have been looking for a way to make money online for quite a number of years, and I have actually tried various programs and lost quite some money in doing so. And so in July, I was again on YouTube, and a YouTube clip was suggested to me, and so I saw this lady. I went, looked her up, attended a webinar, listened, and I was sold to it. And so that's how I joined the program in July, I believe it was. And so can you see the difference? One was on Facebook, the other one was on YouTube. In my personal situation, it was on YouTube. So what I liked about Michelle sharing her testimony about her 2 years journey is, like any other business, there are challenges that you find on your way, but she determined. In fact, she says that her first year, she had a target, she set a target or a goal for 3 years, and she already knew what she wanted to make in year 1, year 2, year 3. And her first year's target was $54,000 US in the year. But before even 6 months, she had already surpassed that. But she also challenged us in the sense that there were a lot of distractions, and distractions come, especially when you have set your mind that this is the way that I am going. You'll find people suggested, no, why don't you try this? Why don't you try that? Why don't you try the other? But she said she was so focused. She was determined. This is the business, and I am doing it for the next 3 years. But as I've just said, in 2 years, her life is totally transformed. And for you as well, when you decide to join me, because I believe you will, just as you have seen this video, don't take it as it's just any other random video. But when you start, you also have to be committed to doing the income generating activities. And that is either you're building it faceless or you're doing it with your face. So you make sure that you have your videos going out every day. You're doing your ads on the classified ads websites. You're responding to comments. You're just doing what it is that you are expected to do every single day. There are days, of course, Michelle was saying she would wake up and, she has lost her voice and she's wondering, will I do this? But because she was determined, she was able to hit and surpass even her goals. If you're ready to create generational wealth, change your life, impact people in your circle, then this is your opportunity to start your own digital marketing program. Feel free to send me a message for more information and I will share it with you. And of course, now we have still another 28 days, so join my journey and see how it goes even in those days. Bye-bye.